Bay windows are a beautiful upgrade that adds character, natural light, and usable space to a home. For Layton homeowners, where weather shifts between cold winters, warm summers, and occasional wind and moisture, choosing the right bay window material is critical. The material you select directly affects durability, energy efficiency, maintenance needs, and how well the window holds up over time. Here's a homeowner-friendly guide to the best bay window materials for long-term durability in Layton's climate. Vinyl bay windows. Affordable and weather-resistant vinyl is one of the most popular materials for bay windows, and for good reason. It performs well in Layton's seasonal conditions while requiring minimal upkeep. Key benefits include resistance to moisture and rot, strong insulation for temperature control, no need for painting or sealing, excellent value for long-term durability. Vinyl bay windows maintain their appearance over time and are ideal for homeowners seeking a low-maintenance solution. Fiberglass bay windows. Superior strength and stability. Fiberglass is known for its exceptional durability and resistance to temperature fluctuations. It expands and contracts very little, making it ideal for Layton's changing seasons. Advantages include high structural strength for large bay window configurations, resistance to warping, cracking, and swelling, excellent energy efficiency, long lifespan with minimal maintenance. Fiberglass bay windows are a premium option for homeowners focused on performance and longevity. Composite materials. Engineered for long-term performance, composite bay windows combine multiple materials to deliver strength, insulation, and durability. These engineered products are designed specifically to handle weather stress. Benefits include enhanced resistance to moisture and temperature changes, strong insulation properties, consistent performance over time, minimal maintenance requirements. Composite materials offer a balanced blend of durability and efficiency. Aluminum-clad wood. Beauty with added protection for homeowners who love the look of natural wood but want better durability. Aluminum-clad wood bay windows offer the best of both worlds. Features include warm wood interiors for classic appeal, protective aluminum exterior cladding, reduced maintenance compared to traditional wood, strong resistance to weather exposure. This option works well for Layton homeowners seeking elegance without sacrificing longevity. Frame strength matters for bay window support. Bay windows extend outward from the home and require strong, stable framing. Choosing durable materials ensures the structure remains secure over time. Durable materials help support the window's weight, prevent sagging or shifting, maintain proper alignment, preserve energy efficiency. Strong frames are essential for long-term performance. Energy efficiency enhances durability. Energy-efficient materials help regulate temperature and reduce stress on window components. When indoor and outdoor temperatures remain balanced, materials experience less expansion and contraction. Energy-efficient features include insulated frames, double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings. These elements protect both comfort and material longevity. Professional installation protects material performance. Even the most durable bay window materials require expert installation to perform properly. Professional installers ensure proper structural reinforcement, accurate fitting and alignment, secure sealing against air and moisture, long-term stability. Correct installation preserves material integrity over time. Choosing durable bay windows for Layton homes. Selecting the right bay window material is key to enjoying long-lasting beauty and performance in Layton's climate. Vinyl, fiberglass, composite materials, and aluminum-clad wood each offer unique benefits suited to different needs and budgets. By choosing durable materials and ensuring professional installation, Layton homeowners can invest in bay windows that deliver comfort, efficiency, and timeless appeal for many years to come.